Hi, we're going to talk about a contingency table, which are it's a comparison of two types of categories that might interplay. For instance, nursing major, non-nursing major, male and female. Now, we're going to see how this ties into givens. All right, so first of all, we'd like to talk about the probability of being a male given you are a nursing major. And if I say given you are a nursing major, the first thing you do is ignore the rest of the table and only look at the part that is nursing major. So you are only allowed to focus on this part because the given says only look at nursing majors. And so that probability is 94 out of 819. Let me write that down. Now, the second one says the probability that you are a nursing major given that you are a male. Well, by saying given you are a male, all you are allowed to look at is this row that says male. And so those nursing majors are 94 out of 1,198. Now let me write that down. Let me get that in focus. Now, there's a third thing that I added because I keep talking about the idea of independence and dependence. And it says, and it's not in the problem set, but it says, are the events nursing major and being male independent? Well, the way you test it is you see what the original probability of being a male is. And then you see, is that equal to the probability of being a male given you are a nursing major? Well, if they match, they're independent. If they don't match, we say they are dependent. Well, the probability of being a male, when you go over to the totals column, is 1,198 divided by 3,605. Let me write that down. Now above, I had the probability of being a male given you are a nursing major already determined. It's the probability of being a male given you are a nursing major, and that's 94 over 819. Those two things, the probability of being a male and then the probability of being a male given you are a nursing major, they aren't equal. That value, I gotta get it to show up, sorry. That value there and that value there are not the same, so they are dependent.